Did you know that the latest TCL T6C QLED TV can achieve over 1 billion colors, making your viewing experience incredibly vibrant and lifelike? 1. Introduction. Meet the new TCL T6C QLED TV. The world of home entertainment is constantly evolving, and TCL has once again jumped into the spotlight with its new T6C QLED TV, a feature-rich, value-oriented 4K television designed for modern living rooms, gaming setups, and streaming enthusiasts. Positioned as an accessible yet high-quality offering in TCL's TV lineup, the T6C brings advanced display technology, smart features, and immersive audio together to deliver a compelling overall viewing experience. 2. Striking display and visual brilliance. At the core of the T6C's appeal is its Quantum.QLED panel, which produces vibrant, richly saturated colors with impressive clarity. QLED Quantum.LED technology enables the TV to cover a wide range of hues, reportedly around 93% of the DCI-P3 color space, giving users more than 1 billion color combinations that make scenes feel alive and natural. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution 3840x2160, the T6C delivers crisp detail and definition, whether you're watching movies, sports, or streaming content. Combined with dynamic HDR formats such as HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, viewers get enhanced contrast and brightness that bring out subtle highlights and rich shadows in high dynamic range content. 3. AI-powered picture optimization. The TCL T6C isn't just about raw panel specs, it also features TCL's IPQ engine, an artificial intelligence-driven processor that optimizes picture quality in real time. This smart chip enhances contrast, motion performance, color accuracy, and HDR effects based on the content being displayed, providing smoother visuals and richer imagery without manual settings adjustments. Whether it's fast-paced sports or cinematic blockbusters, the IPQ processor intelligently adapts to deliver the best possible picture from both streaming and broadcast sources, a feature more commonly found in higher-tier TVs, yet incorporated here at a competitive price point. 4. Smart experience with Google TV. One of the highlights of the TCL T6C is its Smart TV platform, powered by Google TV. This intuitive system provides a user-friendly interface where your favorite streaming apps, such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Hotstar, and more, are easily accessible. It also offers personalized content recommendations based on your viewing habits. Voice control is built in through Google Assistant, meaning you can simply speak commands like play cricket highlights or open YouTube without navigating menus manually. Built-in Chromecast support allows seamless streaming from smartphones and tablets, whether they're Android or Apple devices. 5. Audio that matches the visuals. While many TVs struggle with weak inbuilt sound, the T6C takes a step forward with support for Dolby Audio and Dolby Atmos, enhancing sound richness and depth beyond standard TV speakers. Furthermore, DTS audio support adds clarity to dialogues and broader soundscapes, making movies and shows more immersive straight out of the box. That said, true home theater enthusiasts might still prefer adding an external soundbar for a more cinematic audio experience, especially for bass-heavy content, but for everyday use, the built-in sound system performs admirably. 6. Gaming and multimedia connectivity. The T6C offers multiple HDMI ports, including at least one HDMI 2.1 with eARC support, meaning you can connect next-gen gaming consoles like the PS5 or Xbox Series X and enjoy enhanced audio routing to compatible soundbars. Although the native refresh rate is 60 Hz, TCL's optimizations reduce input lag and keep gameplay smooth at 4K resolution, ideal for casual gaming. Connectivity extends to USB ports for external drives, wireless casting, and network streaming, ensuring the TV functions as a versatile hub for entertainment and multimedia playback. 7. Design and build quality. Aesthetics matter just as much as performance, and the TCL T6C delivers with a slim, nearly bezel-less design that complements contemporary living spaces. Whether wall-mounted or placed on a stand, the sleek profile enhances the overall look while keeping attention focused on the screen. The TV's robust build and modern styling ensure it doesn't feel out of place in any home setup, from compact bedrooms to large family lounges. 8. Wide range of sizes for all spaces. The T6C line is available in multiple sizes, from 43 inches and 50 inches up to 65 inches, 75 inches, and even 85, giving buyers flexible choices depending on room size and viewing distance. This range makes the series suitable for apartments, living rooms, and dedicated media spaces alike. No matter the size, the core experience, rich picture quality, smart features, and solid performance remains consistent, offering scalable value across screens. 9. Practical considerations and limitations. While the TCL T6C excels in many areas, it's important to note a few practical limitations. The default refresh rate is 60 Hz, meaning competitive gamers might miss ultra-smooth motion found on 120 Hz plus TVs. However, for most users in casual gaming, it's more than adequate. Some regional variations may exist in port configurations, for example, optical out or OS customizations, so it's wise to check specifics at purchase. Additionally, though the built-in audio is good for everyday use, dedicated external speakers or soundbars still enhance the overall experience significantly. 10. Value proposition and final thoughts. In a market crowded with numerous TV options, the TCL T6C QLED TV stands out as a value-packed choice that brings many premium features to a more affordable segment. Its blend of quantum dot color performance, 4K HDR support, smart OS, and advanced processing makes it an excellent pick for movie lovers, binge watchers, and casual gamers alike. Whether you're upgrading your first big TV, enhancing your home theater, or simply seeking vibrant visuals without breaking the bank, the T6C delivers features that punch above its weight. Just pair it with a good sound system for the complete entertainment experience. 11. Quick summary. The TCL T6C QLED TV is making waves in the market with its impressive features and sleek design. This TV is definitely a must-see product for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. Its QLED technology sets it apart from other TVs on the market, offering a wider range of colors and improved brightness. With its slim design and modern aesthetic, it's sure to fit in with any home decor. TCL is a well-known manufacturer in the TV industry, with a reputation for producing high-quality TVs at affordable prices. The company has been around for over 30 years, and its TVs have consistently received positive reviews from customers and critics alike. In recent years, TCL has been focusing on developing its QLED technology, and the T6C is one of its latest offerings. This TV is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and quality. The TCL T6C QLED TV boasts an impressive array of features, including 4K resolution, HDR support, and a wide color gamut. Its QLED display technology offers improved brightness and color accuracy, making it perfect for watching movies and TV shows. This TV also comes with a range of smart features, including built-in Wi-Fi and support for popular streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. The T6C also has a powerful sound system, with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. The display technology used in the TCL T6C QLED TV is one of its standout features. With its QLED panel, this TV can produce a wide range of colors and improved brightness. The TV's 4K resolution ensures that images are crisp and clear, making it perfect for watching movies and TV shows. The T6C also has a high refresh rate, making it ideal for fast-paced content like sports and action movies. Additionally, the TV's HDR support ensures that images are displayed with improved contrast and color accuracy. In terms of smart features, the TCL T6C QLED TV has a lot to offer. The TV comes with built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to connect to the internet and access popular streaming services. The TV also supports voice control, allowing users to control the TV with their voice. The T6C also has a range of connectivity options, including multiple HDMI ports and USB ports. This makes it easy to connect devices like gaming consoles and soundbars to the TV. The TCL T6C QLED TV also has a powerful sound system, with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. This ensures that users can enjoy an immersive audio experience while watching movies and TV shows. The TV's sound system is also optimized for gaming, with support for low latency and high-quality audio. When it comes to picture quality, the TCL T6C QLED TV is hard to beat. The TV's QLED panel produces a wide range of colors and improved brightness, making it perfect for watching movies and TV shows. The TV's 4K resolution ensures that images are crisp and clear, and its HDR support ensures that images are displayed with improved contrast and color accuracy. However, some users may find that the TV's picture quality can be affected by the room's lighting conditions. The user interface on the TCL T6C QLED TV is also worth mentioning. The TV's smart features are easy to navigate, and the voice control system is intuitive to use. However, some users may find that the TV's menu system can be a bit cluttered at times. In terms of connectivity options, the T6C has a range of ports, including multiple HDMI ports and USB ports. This makes it easy to connect devices like gaming consoles and soundbars to the TV. One of the pros of the TCL T6C QLED TV is its impressive picture quality. The TV's QLED panel produces a wide range of colors and improved brightness, making it perfect for watching movies and TV shows. The TV's 4K resolution ensures that images are crisp and clear, and its HDR support ensures that images are displayed with improved contrast and color accuracy. However, some users may find that the TV's sound system can be a bit lacking at times. Another pro of the TCL T6C QLED TV is its range of smart features. The TV comes with built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to connect to the internet and access popular streaming services. The TV also supports voice control, allowing users to control the TV with their voice. However, some users may find that the TV's menu system can be a bit cluttered at times. In terms of cons, one of the main drawbacks of the TCL T6C QLED TV is its price. The TV is a bit on the expensive side, which may make it out of reach for some users. Additionally, some users may find that the TV's sound system can be a bit lacking at times. When compared to similar models from competitors, the TCL T6C QLED TV holds its own. The TV's QLED panel and 4K resolution make it a strong contender in its class. Additionally, the TV's range of smart features and connectivity options make it a great option for users who want a hassle-free viewing experience. However, some users may find that the TV's price is a bit steep compared to other models on the market. 12. Conclusion. The TCL T6C QLED TV has received positive reviews from customers and critics alike. Many users have praised the TV's impressive picture quality and range of smart features. However, some users have noted that the TV's sound system can be a bit lacking at times. Overall, the TCL T6C QLED TV is a great option for users who want a high-quality TV with a range of impressive features. In my personal experience with the TCL T6C QLED TV, I've been impressed with its picture quality and range of smart features. The TV is easy to set up and use, and its voice control system is intuitive to use. I've also been impressed with the TV's sound system, which has provided an immersive audio experience while watching movies and TV shows. One standout moment for me was when I watched a movie with a lot of fast-paced action scenes. The TV's high refresh rate and QLED panel made the scenes look smooth and clear, and the TV's sound system provided an immersive audio experience. Overall, I'd highly recommend the TCL T6C QLED TV to anyone looking for a high-quality TV with a range of impressive features. The TV's picture quality and range of smart features make it a great option for users who want a hassle-free viewing experience. If you're interested in checking out more of my videos, I'd recommend checking out my review of the latest gaming console. I'd also love to hear your thoughts about the TCL T6C QLED TV in the comments section. Have you had a chance to try it out? What do you think of its features and performance? Let me know.